Amid the ongoing Lok Sabha election frenzy, it seems like Prime Minister Narendra Modi appealed to the Muslim community to reflect on their role in national progress and cautioned them against attempts by the opposition to exploit religious divide for political gains. Prime Minister Modi, while speaking to a news channel, said that he was neither against Muslims nor against Islam.
When there was the government of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, our manifesto mentioned Ram Mandir, Article 370. When you speak about 100%, every community is included. There is a guarantee of social justice, secularism. Modi ensures that everyone gets everything. I am saying this for the first time to the Muslim Samaj and their educated faction. Please introspect. The country is moving ahead. But why does your community feel something is missing? Why did you not get the benefits of government schemes during the Congress era? Reflect on whether you experienced hardship during that period. If you keep thinking about who to put in power and who to remove, you will ruin the future of your children. The Muslim community is changing across the world. I urge the Muslim Samaj to think about the future of their children and also about their own future. I don't want any community to live the life of a bonded laborer because someone is creating an atmosphere of fear. Neither are we against Muslims nor Islam. This is not our work. Muslim community understands everything. When I end the tradition of triple talaq, when I give Ayushman card or when I give COVID vaccine, Muslim sisters feel I am a genuine man who does not discriminate.
Now, these comments by the Prime Minister come amid a war of words between the BJP and the opposition leaders over his infiltrator's remark that he made at an election rally in Rajasthan on April 22nd, allegedly referring to the Muslim community. He asked the Muslim community and their educated faction to introspect. He said, and I quote, "The country is moving forward. If your community is lagging, then what is the reason? Did you receive the benefit of government schemes during Congress's rule?" Prime Minister Modi shared clippings of his interview on his X handle, further accusing the Congress of thriving on creating a feeling of persistent fear and insecurity among the minorities in India. Modi said, and I quote, "When I ended the tradition of triple talaq and provided Ayushman card or COVID vaccine, Muslim sisters feel I am a genuine man who does not discriminate." These candid remarks from Prime Minister Modi come as BJP alleges that Congress is playing with fire by attempting to create a Hindu-Muslim divide for electoral gains. Amid politics of Muslim appeasement, RJD chief Lalu Prasad Yadav said that Muslims must get reservation. The former Bihar chief minister came out in favor of reservation for Muslims and said it should be done now. Lalu Prasad Yadav further expressed support for reservation for Muslims, stating, "Reservation to milna chahiye Musalmanon ko pura," which meant Muslims must get reservation.
आरक्षण के पक्षधर है ना, वो तो संविधान को खत्म करना चाहते हैं, लोकतंत्र को खत्म करना चाहते हैं। ये इस बात को जनता के जहन में सारी बात आ गई है, तो इस तरह की बात बदल
कह रहे हैं कि मुसलमानों को आप लोग आरक्षण दे रहे हैं, ओबीसी का लेकर मुसलमानों को दे रहे हैं।
रिजर्वेशन तो मिलना चाहिए मुसलमानों को।
Meanwhile, Prime Minister Modi, while addressing a public rally in Madhya Pradesh's Dhar, took a dig at Lalu Prasad Yadav, saying a fodder scam accused leader who is out on bail is advocating reservation for Muslims.
चारा घोटाले में जिन्हें अदालत ने दोषी करार दिया, उन्होंने आज मीडिया के सामने साफ साफ कहा है कि इंडी गठबंधन की सरकार आई तो देश में मुसलमानों को आरक्षण देंगे, और सिर्फ आरक्षण देंगे इतना ही नहीं, बल्कि पूरा का पूरा आरक्षण देंगे। ये इंडी अलायंस का कहना है कि ये पूरे का पूरा आरक्षण छीनकर मुसलमानों को दे देंगे, यानी एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी और गरीबों से छीनकर ये अपने वोट बैंक को पक्का करना चाहते हैं।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi said the India bloc leader has revealed the Congress and its allies' intention to transfer the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and other backward classes quota to the country's largest minority community. The Prime Minister further said, and I quote, he, that is Lalu, said that full reservation should go to Muslims. It means whatever reservation SC, ST and OBC community had, they want to take it away and give it to Muslims. Prime Minister Modi claimed the Congress and its India bloc allies want to snatch away reservation benefits extended by the constitution to members of the SC, ST and OBC communities and give complete reservation to Muslims. Prime Minister Modi vowed that as long as he was alive, he wouldn't allow anyone to erase India's identity in the name of what he called pseudo-secularism. Lalu Prasad Yadav's remarks came a day after BJP leader Amit Shah alleged that the Congress gave reservation to Muslims by reducing the quota for SCs, STs and OBCs in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. That's it for now. For more such updates, keep watching our channel. This is Afreen Hussain for India Today Source Up.